Hi guys, how's it going? In this tutorial, we are learning the next command to create a surface named sweep to use. And let's open the file. Go to the first model. If we want to create a surface, we should go to find surface creation tools, right? Sweep to use command. Read your command bar, select first row. This is the first row, and read your command bar again, select second row. Cross-section curves, this one, press enter and click OK. You can see we create a surface lower in the narrow position and higher in the wider position. It will automatically create a surface like this. If we want to control the surface position and surface form, we can draw more cross-section curves. Cool. Let's do it again. Select your first row, second row, and you can select multiple cross-section curves. Press enter and click OK. Now you see the surface is following our cross-section curves, right? This point is higher, lower, higher, lower, higher. Cool, let's do the next one. Sweep to row, first row, second row, cross-section curves, and this one, press enter. If we want to keep them in the same height, how can we do it? We can choose this option, maintain height, click it, and all of the height will be the same point, and then click OK. Cool. Let's do the next one. And before it, click record history option. You can choose always record history. I just click record history. Sweep to rows, first row, second row, and cross-section curves. Press enter, click OK. Now you find the cross-section curves doesn't have to be on the rows. It can be out of the rows, okay? And also if we drag the control points like this, the surface will change the form, right? Okay, because we turned on the record history. Let's see the next one. One side of the cross-section curve is out of the row. Let's turn on the record history command and select sweep to rows. First row, second row, and cross-section curve. Press enter, click OK. Then when you adjust your control points, the form will change. Cool. Let's do the next one. Try this one, repeat the commands, cross-section curve, press enter. Because I didn't turn on my record history command, if I adjust my control points, the form will not change. So let's see this one. The point in Rhino is a very short line, so we still can use this as a cross-section curve. Let's try it. Sweep to rows, first row, second row, cross-section curves, press enter, click OK. It still can work, right? Next one, turn on record history, first row, second row, cross-section curves. Click OK. Let's try drag this point. It says the form is changing. Next one. First row, second row, cross-section curve. Click OK. And the last one. Click OK. Delete this. Oh guys, practice until this step, and then we continue the next step. Welcome back guys. If you have done the previous step, let's continue. Before it, let's review last tutorial comment. Sweep one row. This one, click it, read your command bar. Select the row. This one, and select cross-section curve. This one. Press enter. Click OK. And the next one, same. Cool. And this one. Select the real and cross-section curve. Press enter. Cool. Let's drag it out and see what else can we do. If we want to use sweep to use, we need to have another line. I can use helix line here. Here, from this curve tools, this one, helix line. And select a round curve option first. This one, click it, select the curve, and then you can decide how many turns you want it to be. I change it into 6, press enter, set it like this. You need to control your lines form. Okay, and then we use sweep two rules. The first rule, second rule, and cross-section curve. Press enter, click OK. Cool. And then let's try the last one. Helix line again. Select a round curve. This one. And then we use sweep two rules again. First rule, second rule, and cross-section curve. Press enter. Click OK. Cool guys, in this tutorial we learned how to use sweep two rules command and how to use the sweep two rules options. Okay guys, see you in the next tutorial.